Hey everyone, welcome to CodingPlaza. Today we are going to discussing about the copy of the table using insert statement, or else how to take a backup of existing table with a new table, right? So using insert statement, I'll show you. We'll start the video. So in last video we have discussed about insert, right? As a revision, right? Insert statement. It's a single execution how to insert multiple threads right now. So then today we are going to take the backup of existing table. Already we are having one table called select from Play Store, right? Yes, right. So Play Store table is there. Then for some situations, I want to take backup of the table. I don't want to lose the data, right? So I don't want to perform any DML operations on this table. I want to test this table data, right? At the situation, I want to take a backup of this table, right? So at the time, so how to take a backup of this? Using create and select statements available. So these are the syntax: create table, okay, table name as that. I'm mentioning Play Store version 1, right? As here, what you have to do means send extra from station 2. I want to take entire data, okay? So here simply the syntax means what? Sorry, I'm not written the syntax. What syntax is, table, create table syntax, right? Table name, send from here. Can I have an entire which not table name? Backup. Table name, right? So this is what so create table, backup table name is what? Play Store version 1, right? Original table name, from where we are getting the data to the backup table, right? This is what the syntax. So sorry, I have started. Okay. So this scenario will face a real time that you want to perform some DML operations on the temporary table only. You don't need to perform the original table, because if data gone, you can't able to retrieve that. It will be very big matter. So that we'll take the backup, we'll perform on this next data, we'll update the records as it is in the temporary to original table. That also I will show you in future videos. So here I'm going to execute this. We'll see in a present. Yes, table Play Store one has been created, right? Then over. Let's fight it. See, same replica of Play Store table has been came. Replica, same to same data came. So you can able to perform whatever the DML operations, whatever the query operations you can perform here. It is a duplicate of the table, right? So here, whenever you have to move manually to the data, it will not move any automatic data if you are using any stored with SQL operations. Okay. So you will perform here the data and you can update into the original. So this is what the syntax, guys. This is what the query. You can use this query in different way also, that version 2, right? Select here what are columns are there in our last video. We have taken that. See, using column name, you don't want to get all the columns, right? You want to get only category, means you want to get that. Not name, not required. App category means in which category, which count is there you want to calculate, and then you want to submit the report, means like OLAB systems will be there. So to get into backup, app category app version only required. So that situation you can execute this query. So that table has been created. See, here only you can see that just 2 columns, right? So whatever the 2 columns you have selected, that data. And right now, yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a nice day.